Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach arms to your amigurumi toy without sewing. This is a simple technique that gives you a nice and neat finish and is handy for someone who doesn't like sewing their crochet toys together. It can also be used for attaching other body parts such as legs as well as tails or even ears. I will be following my tiger pattern in this video, but you can use this technique with any crochet toy pattern where you can single crochet the arms to the body. If you would like to crochet the tiger featured in this video, then you can find the link to the free pattern in the description below or on my blog. Okay, so we are ready to attach the arms now. I have already finished the arms, closed them using single crochet stitches and weaved the yarns end in. And I have my body here that I have already stuffed, but if you prefer you can attach the arms first and then stuff the body after. We are going to attach the arms to the side of the body using single crochet stitches, and we need to make sure that they are attached evenly on each side. Also check that the tail sits central between the arms so it doesn't look wonky. We will be crocheting in round, following my tiger pattern, until we get to the point where to attach the first arm. There are 7 stitches across the top of the arm, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we are now going to attach it to 7 stitches on the body. According to my tiger pattern, we should single crochet in the first 8 stitches before attaching the arm. But of course at this point you should follow the instructions in the pattern that you are using. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's attach the first arm to the next 7 stitches on the body. Make sure that any color changes on the arm are facing backwards and place the arm on the right side of the body. Then insert your hook into the first stitch on the arm and the next stitch on the body. So you end up with 2 stitches on your hook and single crochet these stitches together. Then insert your hook into the next stitch on the arm and the next stitch on the body and single crochet them together again. As mentioned, we need to do 7 stitches in total, so we have done 2 already, so this is number 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7. Okay, so we have now attached the first arm and it's looking pretty good, so we will continue with this round until we get to the point where to attach the second arm. So again, my tiger pattern tells me to single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we can now attach the second arm, and just like before, the color changes should be facing backwards. Place the arm on the right side of the body. Insert your hook into the first stitch on the arm and then the next stitch on the body, and single crochet these stitches together. Continue just like we did with the first arm, so do 7 single crochet stitches in total. So this is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is 7. Great! We have attached the second arm, which brings us to the end of this round. And because there is only one more round left to complete the body, I will just quickly crochet the last round before I show you the final result. So I have finished the whole body, and this is what the arms look like. As you can see, this technique gives you a very nice and neat finish on both sides. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.